Today we're in North Wales. Here I am at Rhyl station and I'm going to go on another modern day shed bash. So that's a railway station, this is the bus station here. I'm just on the bridge now, and if you can see in the distance there is a signal box, and that's near where the shed was. This is the station from the bridge. These are the directions for Rhyl Shed, which was 6k. It was in North Wales, but it was part of the LMS. Now, a lot of these sheds that I visit now, a lot of the roads have gone, but many of them still exist. So what I'm going to try to do is show you the old directions, and I'm going to try to introduce you to a shorter way of getting there if it's all possible, and I'm going to hope that that comes over okay. So although we can compare the old directions, if you can get there quicker, if you want to follow along and you want to start visiting these sites, then it's going to help you. So these are the directions from my old English British loco shed directory. And here I am at Rhyl station. So we're going to find the site of Rhyl engine shed. So you come out of the station, you take a left, turn left, and follow it down by the line. You're going parallel with the line. So this is the station now, and I'm heading down past the old signal box you can see in the distance there. The signal box is just coming up in the distance now. So this was Rhyl signal box, still there as a monument. It's quite a big one as well, look. Now the residence of many pigeons, I imagine. There's the line, the running line, and this is the view of the signal box from the other side. Anyway, onto the site of the shed. We're not very far to go now. Going to be one of those short but sweet visits. Just a footbridge in the distance there. Just to the right over here, this was part of the shed yard, and there used to be a turntable at this area now. It's full of charging stations for electronic cars. There's a train just going past again. So this area was part of the shed yard. You see that row of houses over there? Well, that was where the shed was, just down a little bit down there to the left. I'll probably get a good view from the footbridge here. If I can see over it, I should be able to do. Yes, I can. So there's the station and the signal box, and this bridge is actually shaking. It's really shaking. Wow, never experienced this before. Over here this area was where the turntable was, and the yard was over there, and the shed was where those terraced houses are now. Not really terraced, but semi-detached. I'm just going to make my way over there. So you got the full trip. We're going past the turntable here, and the lines would have gone over to head towards the shed, which would have been in this area over here, and down this first street. Just to give you a name, this first street is called Terence Avenue, and the shed would have been located just round about where that caravan is there. 1, 2, yeah, the yellow van, just past the yellow van. So this would have been the lines in. We would have probably been inside the shed now. So thanks for watching, and hope you're looking forward to the next one. Bye for now.